YouTube, JB from Oz. Today's mission is to have a bit of a go sharpening the blades on this mulcher. So first mission of course is to remove the blades from the mulching disc. Looks like somebody's come in and had a bit of a go before me with the Allen screws. It's not going to happen getting it off like that, so I've gone in and pulled the rotor off the machine and starting at the beginning, going to clean the threads, make sure they're all nice and clean, then give it a tap with a hammer, try and shock the threads loose, and then we should have a fairly easy time of getting the threads out and then be able to get on to actually sharpening the blades. So I'll bring you back once I've made some progress there. Alright, so we've got the two easy ones out, weren't stripped. Now I've got to get this other two out. So I'm going to take a punch and just knock the top of these flat. Come back. Alright, part one of the mission is completed. Now, it did take a bit of extra doing, but we have managed to get them all out intact. I used a combination of a hard punch on a hard surface, essentially hitting from the top of the screw with a brass hammer, which helps to close up the head of the hex and also shocks the thread. And basically the goal there is to give this metal to metal contact any sort of corrosion that's built up at a molecular level, just kind of shock that into submission. The last screw was also very tight, but once I'd gotten one out, I was able to get about a 2-degree rotation in the direction of unscrewing, and that was enough to just break that final thread loose. So, many blocks there for young players, but we have managed to survive intact, ready to proceed to sharpening the blades. Okay, so I've just sharpened a bit of an edge on that. It's not super sharp, but it should be sharp enough for the purpose. Just using the stone and of our bolts. I'll put the two worst ones on the inside. And two better ones on the outside. And let's see if she actually throws a bit of mulch. Back into position. That box down. Now I just need to put the cover back on. Back in place, sharpened up. Potentially I could have tried to undo the blades from in here, but it looks like that's what the previous owner must have done, which would have been the reason why they had so much difficulty. Possibly also why they moved the mulcher on. But now, I'm ready to test it out, see if it actually does make a difference. Fingers crossed, eh? So here we go. Call that a result. Beautiful. And now that the mulching is done, the garden is a lot happier. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you'd like to see some more of these videos. Thanks. Bye.